When considering Vision Helpdesk for your business, there are some key things you should know before making your decision. If you're comparing it to other helpdesk solutions, you might be wondering whether it's truly the right fit for your needs. In this video, we'll dive into 12 important points that will help you understand what Vision Helpdesk offers and how it stacks up against the competition. First, Vision Helpdesk has a solid range of features, including ticket management, knowledge base integration, and live chat. While these features are pretty standard, many help desks have this as well, so it's the execution that matters. Vision does a good job of organizing tickets by priority and streamlining communication. Next thing, Vision Helpdesk stands out with its multi-channel support. It allows you to manage emails, phone calls, chats, and social media from a single platform. However, competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer more advanced features for social media integration and can sometimes make it easier to track tickets across platforms. Vision gets the job done, but might not have all the bells and whistles that others offer. The third thing to consider is the customization options. Vision Helpdesk offers a good degree of flexibility in terms of branding and functionality. You can modify the look and feel of the platform and create custom workflows. However, if you're looking for a more in-depth customization process, some competitors like ServiceNow provide more extensive options, which can be crucial for larger businesses. Now, let's talk about reporting. Vision Helpdesk offers decent reporting capabilities with useful analytics that help you track your team's performance. But when comparing it to others, it falls short in offering deep insights or customizable reports. For example, Freshdesk offers more detailed analytics for a more thorough breakdown of customer interactions. The fifth thing is their support system. Vision Helpdesk provides 24/7 support via live chat, email, and phone. While it's reliable, some other services like Zoho Desk have faster response times and more direct customer support channels, which may be a deciding factor if speed is important to you. Next thing is the pricing. Vision Helpdesk is often considered affordable compared to top-tier competitors. They offer a free trial and various pricing tiers depending on the number of agents you have. That said, while their base plans are budget-friendly, some competitors might offer better value with more features at a similar price point. The seventh thing you need to know is their user interface. It's clean and intuitive, which makes training new agents relatively easy. However, some users feel it could be a bit more modern compared to interfaces from help desks like Zendesk, which have a more polished, user-friendly design. The eighth thing is integrations. Vision Helpdesk integrates with popular platforms like Google Apps, Slack, and CRM systems. While it's good, competitors like Freshdesk offer a broader array of integrations out of the box, making it easier to connect with other software you already use. Next, Vision Helpdesk provides automation features such as ticket routing, autoresponders, and SLA management. This is a big plus, but some alternatives offer more complex automation capabilities. If you're managing a large team, you may find that solutions like ServiceTitan provide more robust options for advanced automation. The 10th thing to know is their security measures. Vision Helpdesk offers strong security features such as SSL encryption and data backups. But if security is a top priority, platforms like Zendesk go further with advanced compliance features for industries that require higher standards. The 11th thing is scalability. Vision Helpdesk can scale with your business, but if you anticipate rapid growth, other help desks like Freshservice might be a better option with more enterprise-level capabilities built in from the start. And lastly, Vision Helpdesk's mobile app provides a convenient way for agents to manage tickets on the go. However, compared to competitors like Zoho Desk, the mobile experience could be more refined and offer better functionality for handling customer queries while out of the office. So, is Vision Helpdesk a good option? Absolutely. It's a solid solution for small to medium-sized businesses, especially when you consider the price point and features. However, if you're looking for more advanced capabilities, smoother integrations, or enterprise-level scalability, there may be better alternatives for your needs. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free with no obligations.